to fix the Instagram caption not showing up on post. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you some ways you can fix your caption not showing up on Instagram problem. So without any further ado, let us get started. First of all, make sure that you have updated your app. Head over to your Play Store and search for Instagram. If you see update sign here, tap on to update. Now let's go ahead and open our updated Instagram. Go onto your profile and add a caption and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working for you, then head over to your settings app. Scroll below to apps and search for Instagram. Here under usage, tap onto storage and clear the cache. Tap on clear data. Clearing this application's data will delete all of your account history and databases. If you would still like to continue, then tap on to delete. Now as you do so, restart your device and get logged into your Instagram account. Once done, this shall fix your problem. That is all for today's tutorial. If you had found this video to be helpful, then hit the like button, and in case you would like to see more contents like this, subscribe to our channel. We will be back with more tutorials like this. Until then, thank you for watching and see you in our next upload.